Yo, what's up guys? I'm gonna be playing Lab Monkey for the first time and stuff. I need to explore this first. Mods? No, I don't care about the mods. Wait, where's the writing on the wall? Fear is the mind killer. Yeah, thermos level. Bruh, okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, so as you can see, there's a bunch of levels. There's bathroom, bunker, circus, school, hospital, and back rooms. Which one do you want to go into?
Which one is the least scary?
The scariest one? I think bathrooms. Because just go in here, and then you'll be teleported.
I know.
Welcome.
Yes, yes.
Holes. Flush. Do you have to flush toilets? Read that. I don't understand. You have to flush toilets, I guess.
Home is a place where you
Here. Oh, you gotta flush toilets. Yeah, you gotta flush all the toilets. Yeah, you gotta flush toilets.
Wait, hold on. Wait, it says find the map, find us the key, flush the right ones, and you'll stay free. But miss the mark, the mouse sticks. Choose wisely or face your fear. Wait, so there's wrong toilets?
Yeah, you might not wanna. Don't do the urinals.
Wait, is there a jump? First of all, wait, come back. Okay, so there is a monster. Wait, bro.
Yeah.
Hold on. Yo, whenever you flush the toilet and it's the wrong one, is it like? Is there a jump scare for it?
I guess.
There's a jump scare for the wrong toilets? Yeah. What is the jump scare?
It's just that girl person.
Oh. No!
This is what we're stuck. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave and then join back so I can, so we can do a different level. Okay. Alright, so,
I kind of want to do circus, but... No! Bruh, I said... Fine.
Now this may be the only one that I played. Welcome. Okay.
Wait.
It's like right here. No, this whole thing is a safe zone.
Oh, okay.
Please don't.
Wait, can you fight back?
No. You can. Here, watch this. No, but you can do this, and this is pretty cool.
Wait, what?
Get in the can. Get in the cannon. Get back.
Wait, how do you light stuff on fire?
You can't light stuff. This is the only thing you can do. With the cannon.
Wait, with the cannon?
Grab a maximum over here. And then I can come in here.
Wait, where do I light stuff?
Dang it. You're just gonna, there's matches right here. Okay, stay still. Stay very still.
Yay. I wish I could. Wait, is the jump scare scary? Is the jump scare scary?
No, not really. And in this game, there's like in this level, there's so many things you can climb on top of. Like you can climb on top. Like I'm good. Like you can climb on top of so many things and they can't get you.
I know.
Like,
there's wait. No, wait. Does anything happen with this shark over here?
No. Okay. I'd say the easiest one for beginners is probably either bathrooms, hospital, or bunker.
Isn't the bunker the one with the plague doctor?
No, that's hospital.
Oh.
But circus and bathroom and school are pretty hard for like.
Wait, what's the monster in the bunker?
Bunker.
Wait, isn't it like that robot?
I have no idea. No, that's school.
Oh yeah. Oh, the shop. Wait, I need to check out the shop.
A bunch of like dogs. Oh yeah. I don't even think I've seen the shop.
Where's the bathroom? Bathroom.
Yes, of course you'd want this cosmetic.
He said there were two. Where's the checkout area?
Oh, here are mods. Is it dressing? I think it's. This is the dressing room.
Oh, the dressing room. Oh, this isn't scary. So far, where did you go? Oh. Where did you go? Bro, where did you go? The main game? Lab monkey. Alright. What?
Never mind, don't go up there. Don't go up there.
There's probably two different
I don't think
monsters.
there's right now.
Bro, I'm scared.
Okay. What the?
What the hell? It's a horse.
That is.
Wait, what? Why? It's fun. Bruh. Oh my god, bruh. Who's gonna tell me? There's a computer. Bruh. No. Bruh. Isn't that scary? What? Alright, go to hospital? Okay, I will! In a hospital? No.
Eeny, meeny, miny. No, catch your tiger vibes though. I'm Montez, the obvious one, and you are it. Okay.
Oh my god, bro, who's gonna tell this kid? Yay! Plague doctor!
Gotta save him! Press your top trigger button. Like your top trigger on the hand that you're using the thing with.
Wait, can we revive him?
I actually have no idea. Okay, now I have done this level before, so I know where one of these things are. Yeah, I think it's...
Bro, why'd you leave?
What was that?
Alright guys, my friends are being annoying, so I'm just gonna wrap this up, so bye guys.